My name's Gary Thompson. I've got a 1982 Jeep Scrambler. Yeah, I've had the car for probably 10 years. I got it off another Jeep Enthusiast, which was semi-standard I suppose, had a few mods, but since then it's got the old school Chevy in it. It's got a 383 full injected a turbo 700 automatic. Front diffs are 44, and just with RCVs. The rear one's a fully floating 60. It's been shaved. Coilovers on the front, and we've sort of rejigged the back. Recently it had a rangy setup on the back with an A-frame and with airbags, but it wasn't all that friendly, so changed it, gone old school full circle back to leaf springs. Just a long flat leaf spring that's a spring over, and it's on the outside of the chassis, so it seems to be working a bit better for me. It's got the traps. Yeah, we've got a Tim Hood built roll cage, which is a lot of security for us. Just your high mount, that's just had a couple of mods. Basically standard. Not too much at the moment. We had a bit of an oil leak on the way here. It's just dripping on the exhaust, which is a bit annoying, so I'll have to sort that out. Pretty much most of the other stuff's been done by now, so maybe after today we'll find a few more problems. It's a bit of an all-rounder. I've had it for like 10 years, but it's been a bit of a work car as well, just on normal 37s. Just a daily, I don't do a lot of Ks, but it's pretty much my normal car. Just to go full drive and have a bit of fun. I forgot to mention earlier, I've actually stretched it a bit as well in the wheelbase now, which has allowed me to fit a bigger petrol tank, so it might be better for touring and that type of thing. Got a high country trip coming up, so pretty much that's it. I think they're all very good vehicles. It's going to be a hard one to pick. I think it might come down to the excited drivers more than anything, just to keep them going for that length of time. It's going to be, it's pretty easy to get your right foot all excited and do something you shouldn't be doing maybe. But if you can get it to last that amount of time, and whoever's at the end is probably the more sensible one, or maybe, I don't know. Yep. My Navy's my son, Dick. He's going to be doing a bit of running for us. Hopefully adrenaline's going to be a fair bit of it. Lots of Pepsis and iced coffees, and I'm tipping that Nick's going to slap me around a bit if I start dozing off, so that's about it.